In today's video, we're going to be finding the function rule given 2 points. So in these problems, we're going to be given 2 points, and we have to create a slope-intercept equation from those points, assuming it's a linear function, which these are going to be. So whenever I'm given 2 points, remember the first point is going to be my x. The next point, or the next part of the point is going to be the y. So these are both our x and y. So what we have to do is make a table. This is what I do, make a table, x, y, and put them in the table. So we have negative 10, 3, and we have 0, 2. So I put both of these points into our table. Then we find our rise or run, our change in y over the change in x. So this one goes down 1 to the right 10. So my slope is negative 1 over 10. So I have my slope, and also I got to find my b is right there, because right where my b is my y-intercept, where x equals 0. So my b is there, right? So we have my m and we have my b. So your equation is y equals negative 1 over 10 x plus 2. That's my final answer. All right, so that's the slope-intercept form of the line that passes through those 2 points. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Put these in a little table. Negative 4, 6 to negative 12. This one goes down 18 to the right 6. So my slope is negative 18 over 6, which reduces to negative 3. Now, this one doesn't give us our y-intercept. There is no 0 in the x value here. So just like we did in previous lessons, we have to plug them back in to our y equals mx plus b equation to find our b. So we take our m, plug it in. We take x. I'm just going to take the top point here. Negative 4, that's going to go in for x. The 6 is going to go in for y. So we have 6 equals negative 3 times negative 4 plus b. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12 plus b. Minus 12 from both sides. And we get negative 6 is our b value. So we have our m, we have our b. My equation is y equals negative 3x minus 6. There's my function rule. All right, so now we know what to do when we find the slope and the y-intercept is not given in the table. Let's do one more. All right, this one right here. Negative 9, 8, and 3, negative 8. Negative 9, 8, and 3, negative 8. So 8 to negative 8 goes down 16. Negative 9 to 3 goes to the right 12. So my slope is negative 16 over 12. All right, and if put too many lines. Okay, so now if I don't remember how to reduce fractions, again, you can use this calculator to help you. Negative 16 divided by 12 is this. I don't want that. I want the fraction. I want negative 4/3. So that's going to be my slope. My y-intercept, they don't give it to us. So we do our y equals mx plus b over here. We plug in the negative 4/3 in for m. We plug in negative 9 in for x. And we plug in 8 in for y. So we have 8 equals negative 4/3 times negative 9. It's ugly 9 plus b. Negative 4/3 times negative 9. Negative 4/3 times negative 9 is, that's 90, is positive 12. So we have 8 equals 12 plus b. Minus the 12 from both sides, and we get negative 4. So we have my m, we have my b, and my equation is y equals negative 4/3 x minus 4. I don't like that box. I can do a neater box. Oh, I don't like that box either. There we go. Okay. So, again, put it into a table. Find the slope. Plug it into y equals mx plus b if you need to find the b. And then once you have your m and your b, you'll plug it back into your slope-intercept function to find your equation. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And remember, whether you are solving for x or y, always give math a try.